I'm reviewing this Rooftop Strobe light bar. It has 28 different flashing patterns. You can see it has LEDs all in the front, the back, and both sides. It has super strong magnets with these protective rubber covers, but they're easy to remove. You just slide them off and you can see all the individual magnets right on there. They come, and it would be very easy to hard mount this as well because it comes with these raised brackets that are already drilled. You can mount these either vertically or horizontally. I showed you on both of them. It comes with this controller right here to do custom pattern. It also remembers where your last setting was, and we have our 12 volt on off switch, and it also does come with a option to hardwire it, and you can unplug it right there to do so. Super long cords, so you can run this to anywhere you want. Let's go ahead and mount it up, then we're going to check it out at night. The roof, you can see these magnets are really strong. So that's definitely not going anywhere. Super good hold on them. And then let's check it out at night. So in the power off, you have this nice control panel right here. Turn it on. We got a bunch of different modes. See the amber and white lights? We have 29 different modes, and it shows you right there which one you're on. 27, 1, 24, 25, 26. 1 is just solid. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, and 1. And you can program your favorites in there. Everything works out really nice. You can see the quality of the lights right there, and I hope this video helps with your buying decision.